Sorry guys, a customer just brought in these parts and he wanted us to sandblast them. When it comes to the vehicles, I don't know much, but with this I have done this a little bit before and I know more or less how it's done. I noticed that the guys are buying blasting media for 50 bucks. So come over here, I'll show you a trick. Okay guys, look, we went to Lowe's and we bought this bucket for $4, the standard screen for $6, and this play sand, which is 50 pounds, for $4. All in total was $15 the most. All right, Kafu, all you're gonna do now is you're gonna hold the screen, all right? All right. Here, hold it for me like this. Go down a bit, hold it hard. All right, I'm just gonna put this sand in there, all right? Just gonna screen it. There we go. See, all of this, guys, all of this is gonna clog up your sandblaster. And after that, all right, good job, man. All right, now all you have left is good blasting media. Look at this, all of this. All you can do now, just put the lid on it and store it for later. All right, guys, now that you have your blasting media clean, we can start putting in a sandblaster. All right, let's do it. Right there. Right there? All right, guys, that right there is how you sandblast. I'm out. I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, bro.
Are you serious?
Seriously.
All right, let's go check. Damn, Art. It only took you 10 minutes to do this.
Told you it was easy.
It came out pretty good. They didn't came out bad at all. Well, guys, thanks to Art, got it done under 10 minutes, and I mean, it came out pretty good. So, other than that, guys, thank you all for your support, and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Man, you did a good job, bro.